This is a 1980s Generalelectric model 7-4638B. It is in excellent condition and everything works. It sounds great. I'll show you. This is FM playing right now.
They sell them out like 30 days.
Smithtown.com. Win a championship. When? Who delivered? Brains.com discount code.
Long been known, but repeatedly.
Okay, so now let's test the alarm. So we test the alarm to, there's an alarm setting and there's wake to music setting. Same on the alarm 2 side. You get both choices. And see, the alarm is, okay, so now the wake. So wake at 12:24. Let's advance the time slowly.
A proportion of those convicted.
Okay, looks like you get 2 minutes before the buzzer goes off.
Generations, the rape.
Now let's test wake 2, right? Let's test that one, wake to music. So now there's not going to be a buzzer, it's just wake to the music. And see, the wake number 2 is over here. So we need to advance this one forward.
There was a demonstrable lack of political will to confront them.
Okay, so now this is snooze. Wait, sleep.
Only relenting under considerable pressure.
Okay, so everything works.